phone and laughing. I have told her so many times. Every day she watches her phone and she laughs. Meghana, I want to see what you're watching now. Every single day what you do is watch phone, Meghana. How many times I have told you not to watch your phone? From that time I am hearing you laugh. What are you watching in your phone and laughing? Because of that phone every day you'll get stomach aches, headaches and all. Do you want that to happen? I'm not taking to the doctor if that happens. You and your logic, mom. Don't ask me any questions, Meghana. What are you watching in your phone all day? It's 7 handsome men from Korea, South Korea. You talk with 7 boys all day? Arey, mom, it's not that. It's called Run BTS, their episodes, okay? What is BTS? BTS, right? What is BTS? BTS, okay. They are like I mentioned that time. There are 7 members, okay. So they are Kim Namjoon, Kim Sojin, Mi Yoongi, Moongi. What? What's that?
What's that? What's that, brother?
Mom, okay, I'll explain you in detail what BTS is. Okay, is it okay? Yeah. So I'll bring my photo cards for whatever I have so that I can explain it to you. Okay, that's it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today finally it's a BTS introduction video. It's gonna be very beginner friendly video. I'm gonna introduce to you all the 7 members in brief and about Bangtan, like about BTS in brief. So yeah, let's start. So first, BTS means Bangtan Sonyeondan in Korean. So Bangtan Sonyeondan means Bulletproof Boy Scouts. So I'm so it's like, oh my god, I'm so happy introducing like BTS to you, like new armies or anyone who is watching. It's like a proud moment for me. So just I can't just stop smiling. So yeah, bear with me for that. They debuted on June 13th, 2013, and they debuted under the company Big Hit Entertainment, which is now taken over by Hybe. But Big Hit is under Bang PD. If we call him as Bang PD, so it's under him, and he auditioned all the boys, collected them in a group, and launched them, like debuted them on June 13th, which is like, oh my god, thank you, Bang PD, thank you. There's a fandom name for all the K-pop bands, so there is a fandom name for BTS as well, that is ARMY, BTS ARMY. Of course, you guys know that, but do you guys know there is an abbreviation for ARMY? It is A.R.M.Y. It's actually like that. Adorable representative MC for youth. So the MC in that stands for Master of Ceremony. So adorable representative Master of Ceremony for youth. It's like that. So that's the abbreviation for ARMY. So in a Bangtan there are 2 parts, like not 2 separate parts, but in Bangtan there are rapper, they're like rap line and vocal line. So in rap line there are 3 members and vocal line there are 4, so in total there are 7 men, hot ones, but yeah, and handsome ones. So there are 7 men, South Korean men basically. So the first 3 are from, now first 3 I'm going to introduce are you. The first 3 are from rap line I'm going to introduce to you, and the next 4 will be of vocal line. So first is Kim Namjoon.
My name is RM. I'm the leader of this group.
Yeah. So the first one I'm going to introduce you to is Kim Namjoon. So we call him RM. It was Rapmon, but later he was like, it is no, I'll keep my. He changed his name, so it is RM now. His stage name. His actual name is Kim Namjoon, and his stage name is Joon Namjoon RM. We call him like that. He was born on 12th September 1994. He is 29 years old, and he is the 4th eldest in Bangtan. There will be order, I'll tell you that later. But there are in those 7 members, he is the fourth one, like age-wise. And about him in general, he loves to destroy things. He's clumsy and cute. He's the leader of the group also. He is like very responsible, very serious in that matter. But as an actual person, like non-professionally, he's like clumsy. He is destroyer of the, oh my god, of Army's heart. But he's destroyer of everything he gets in his hand. There was a ramen stick, he broke that. There was like bag of balls which he like cutted off. Oh my god, he's like a huge mess, but cute. Okay, so he grew. Okay, I forgot this. He grew up in Ilzan. He's very good in English. He's like really good in English before, like from before he joined Bangtan. He was like really good in English, and he told he learned English from the TV show, English TV show Friends, if you guys know. So yeah, if you guys know, then comment down that you know English. That you know English TV show Friends. Okay. Next is Min Yoon Gi. Next is Min Yoon Gi. His stage name is Suga and August D. August D for his solo ones. He basically used that for his solo. He goes solo basically, and not when he's in group. In group, his stage name is Suga. He was born on 9th March 1993. Now he's 31 years old. He is a cat. Just a cat. Okay, he's like cute like a cat, savage. He's really savage. He has like, oh my god, he has tons of patience in his life. Tons of patience. There was one clip where Jungkook is Jungkook keeps on hitting his head and he's like simply sitting like this.
You're my sweetie pie.
It was his task, but he had like full patience. Oh my god. I would be like, oh my god, don't touch me. I would be like that, but he has a lot of patience, guys. He's a sleepyhead. Okay, he's a sleepyhead. He just sleeps everywhere. All the time he gets sleeps there. And he grew up in Daegu. So that's why his name is August D. Like if you like reverse it, it is first it is August D, right? When you reverse it, it will be like DT town, DT Sugar. Okay, so DT is Daegu town. Daegu is where he was born. So Daegu town Sugar. So creative, guys. Oh my god. So next is Jung Ho Seok.
Hi guys. I'm your Hope. You're my Hope. I'm J Hope. Hope right here.
He is a sunshine. Okay, he's stay first. Wait, I directly jumped into sunshine. One second. Okay. So Jung Ho Seok, he's a rapper. Of course, he's the best dancer. His dance, oh my god, his dance break, some videos are there. It is really good. We are like, wow. It's just like jaw dropping. His stage name is J Hope. He was born on 18 Feb 1994 and now he's 30 years old. He's the third oldest in Bangtan. So, first one I'll tell you who. Second one is actually Suga, which I forgot to mention. So, second one is Suga. Suga is the second oldest and Jung Ho Seok is the third oldest. Okay? Yeah. So, those are the rap lines. So, rap line is Kim Namjoon, Min Yoon Gi and Jung Ho Seok. Okay, so now let's move on to vocal line. Vocal line, there are 4 members. First, I'm going to tell you about Kim Sok Jin.
Hello, I'm Worldwide Handsome Jin.
So Kim Sok Jin's stage name is Jin itself. So he is WWH, which means Worldwide Handsome.
Yeah. Hello, my name is Jin. I'm Worldwide Handsome. You know?
Guys, know that if you don't know who Kim Sok Jin is, okay. If you don't know who Jin is, okay. But when someone asks you who is Worldwide Handsome, on the tip of your tongue, it should be Jin. Understand? Yeah. It was not a threat. He's a singer also. He's the visual of the group. Like there are some position for them, which is called vocal or face card. Visual means face card. So yeah, so he's the visual of the group. On 4th December 1992, this Kim Seokjin is the oldest one in BTS. Like, he's the first eldest member. Second was Suga. Third was Jang Ho-seok. Fourth was Kim Namjoon. Okay, so and Jin loves fishing. He loves fishing a lot. He's like, if he goes anywhere near river or lakes or wherever, he just goes fishing. Okay, if you search Jin fishing, there will be so many pictures of him fishing. It's like so cute. His love for fishing was so that he made a song for it. Superdona. Yeah, you know. That's like a nursery rhyme. Okay. Yeah, it's really good. Hear that. You guys are missing on the like best part. Oh my god. He's loud AF. Like, oh my god, he raps when he speaks. Like, can you imagine? He's like a natural rapper. I'll show you a clip where he's rapping.
일만 있길래 언제나 행복하긴 형님.
야, 너가 일본에서 육포랑 오징어 되게 맛있는 거 사실 뭐 생각해가지고 사온 거야. 물티슈도 너 맨날 흘려가지고, 야, 너 이거 잘 닦으라고 내가 물티슈도 샀는데 나한테 어떻게 그럴 수가 있어?
Yeah, you know how loudly he raps now. Okay, so next is Park Jimin.
Hi. It's really nice to meet you. I'm Jimin.
His stage name is Jimin itself. He was born on 13th October 1995. So now he's 28 years. So he's the fourth eldest in BTS. Huh? Okay, so he's the fifth eldest in BTS, and he grew in Busan. He has the flirtiest smile. I just can't. The way he looks at, like, literally a can of some juice or drink, whatever, he's like, oh my god, the tension between the glass and him is like, okay. So yeah. So next, okay, we call him Baby Mochi as well. And he has the plumpy smile. He's like, his lips are like, and he has the plumpy, like, cute smile. Squish him. Okay, that was my cuteness aggression coming out. Sorry.
A few moments later.
So next is Kim Tae-young.
Hi guys. My name's V.
Oh my god. Okay, so next is Kim Tae-young. His stage name is V. He was born on 30 December 1995 and now he's 29 years old. 30 it seems. Now he's 29 years old and he's the sixth eldest in BTS. Sixth eldest or like second youngest in BTS. Okay, and he has a dual personality problem for real. For 1 second he'll be cute and the other second he'll be like serious. We'll be like, oh my god, is that Kim Tae-young that we know? Oh my god, actually it's like really crazy. Baby armies, you'll know soon. If you guys didn't know yet, you will know soon. V is a good boy. Hello, I'm V. I'm a good boy.
My name's V. I'm good boy.
If he didn't tell you, he's Victoria's Secret model. Okay, so the next member and the last one is Jungkook.
Hi. My name is Jungkook.
JJK. His stage name is Jungkook itself, or we call him JK or JK itself. So he's a bunny.
Stop it. Get some help.
So he's a bunny, cute, hot, handsome, everything, and he is my bias.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone I've been trying to meet.
Jungkook is my bias. Just to put it out there. That was not necessary, but just to put it out there. He is my bias. He's the best dancer. He has the best vocals. He even raps. Being a singer, he even raps. so that's like a plus point. His dance is amazing, and his birthday or his date of birth is 1st September 1997, and so he's the youngest of all the BTS members. So he's the seventh one, like the youngest one. We also call him Mangne. Like Mangne is the youngest one. To all the youngest ones in Korean, we call Mangne. So he's the Mangne of BTS. He has a dog which is called Bam, and he's Bam's dad. Okay, he's Bam's dad. So cute they are. Oh my god, together they are like best. So those were the 7 BTS members: Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Min Yoongi, Jonghyun Seok, Park Jimin, Kim Taehyung, Jeon Jungkook. Okay, there is a fan chant which goes in the same order if you guys don't know. So it is Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Min Yoongi, Jonghyun Seok, Park Jimin, Kim Taehyung, Jeon Jungkook, BTS. Oh my god, I want to go to a concert so that I can shout this fan chant. Oh my god, I'm going crazy. But yeah, so that's the fan chant. So now just peek into their albums. So their BTS first album when they debuted was Too Cool for School. Too Cool for School it is. It is their first album and also their debut album. And their most recent album is Proof, which there are like some new songs, some old songs which they didn't release, and some like old song which they released. It's like a combination of that. Okay, in total there are 36 albums. Oh my god, that's too much. But oh my god, so there are 36 albums in total. So that was a small peek to their albums. If you guys want to know, you can like Google, because there are 36 albums, so I can't cover it all, right? So you can Google it and find, you can listen to their songs. It's really good. Oh my god, their music in everything is like really good. There are many underrated songs which you guys must hear. It is really good, guys. It's actually really good. Small peek into their awards which they got. They got so many awards. So the first award they got was for I Need You song. It was Best New Artist at South Korea Melon Music Awards. MMA, yeah. It was the first award they got for I Need You song, and the most recent award was iHeartRadio Music Awards. Okay, and they had even nominated like twice thrice for Grammys also. So it is like a proud moment for everyone. There are so many awards that they got. It's like you can't count. There are so many awards that they got. I thought of listing few, but it's like there are so many awards. I don't know. I feel like if we missed out on something, it will be wrong. So I just told the first and last award which they got. This is not the last one, but the most recent one which they got. So they used to run a show called Run BTS, where they used to play all type of games like mafia games, ludo games, water games, some random games which used to be so good. Badminton, in that there will be many challenges. They will be divided into groups. There will be solo challenges. So many of them. So the total episodes of Run BTS were 156 episodes. Oh my god, 156. I have watched like all of them. So it was like really fun to watch. It's funny how they behave. It's like, oh my god, it's actually really funny. You guys must watch that. Like I got into BTS not only for their songs, but first I saw their reels, and then I saw their funny moments. Like in Run BTS, there are some moments which are really funny. So fans combine all of them and make a video. So it's called BTS Funny Moments. Okay. So in those funny moments, because of those funny moments, I got into BTS. Not kidding. Like seeing their craziness, goofiness, I got into them. Then I later fell for their music, to their beauty, or yeah, whatever. But because of the craziness, I love them. Okay, it is like really good, and the messages they give is really good. So about Run BTS we were speaking. So their first episode was Run BTS first episode was aired on 1st August 2015, and they play fun games and challenges also, and the losers get punishment. That is the really cool part of this. Like when they get punishment, there will be twists and turns in that, or they have to dress up some weird way and go into the public when they're going the next time. It's like really fun to watch all of those things. It is like, oh my god, it's crazy. Okay, they have like cooking in that, like they cook for challenges, like
찾았죠? 자성인가요? 여러분. 내가 깔까요? 지금 막 이런 소소한 재미 어때요? 웃음 점수.
there are some non-cooking people in that, like Suga and Jin cook really well, and Living and Jungkook also, they cook really well, and the other members, they don't cook that well. So it is like, it was a disaster. One episode was there, it was a disaster of cooking. So like, you guys must, if you guys don't even want to watch their music, whatever, just watch their Run BTS episode. It is like so good, so crazy. It's like, oh my god. So yeah, that's it for like, that was the small brief introduction that I gave you of BTS. So if you guys want me to make like some more detailed video, or my experience or my journey or whatever about BTS, right? So you can comment it down below and I'll make it for you guys. Okay? So like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. Okay? Bye! I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have watched till the end, then really thank you. So yeah, bye! Rap monster! Next is Junghoon Sok. Wait. 15th August. Wait. He was